Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you are well. In previous class, we revised chapter first, history part 1. Now we will revise chapter 1, part 2. Decline of ancient Roman Empire. After the death of Odius, the last emperor to rule a united Roman Empire in 395 Common Era, the Roman Empire was divided into two parts, the Eastern and Western Roman Empire. The capital of the Eastern Roman Empire was Constantinople, now Istanbul. Though the division of empire broke the unity, there was still one uniting factor, Christianity and the Roman Church. We have students, we have already did all points. It's revision classes, so revision is very compulsory. Barbarian invasions, it's very important points. Goths, Vandals and Franks. There are many factors that led to the destruction and the disintegration of the Western Roman Empire. The most important being to repeated invasion by various Germanic tribes like the Vandals, Goths and Franks. These tribes were barbaric invaders who plundered and ravaged the Roman territory, including the city of Rome. Student, emergence of Turks, we have already read. The invading army of the Ottoman Turks captured the capital of the Byzantine Empire in 1453. This led to the downfall of the Constantinople. The capture of Constantinople marked the end of the Roman Empire and the rise of the Ottoman Empire. The name of Constantinople was changed to Istanbul. Crusaders, it means holy wars. Crusaders were a serious holy war. The Christians waged against the Turkish Muslims to occupy the Holy Land, Jerusalem, and the lands of the Christian Empire of Constantinople. These wars were waged between the 11th and 16th century. There were 8 crusades that result in the recapture of Jerusalem. The Crusades in Jerusalem failed to establish permanent Christian kingdom, even though the Holy Land remained the Christian possession for almost a century, and other strongholds in the Near East remained in Christian possession for an even longer time. Monasteries and their impact. Priests of the cathedrals lived among people and acquired respectable position. They preached and performed religious rites, but some great Christians such as Saint Francis, Saint Benedict and Saint Augustine stressed on the purity of life. They took over to lead simple life with honesty, discipline and modesty. They became assistants. Monasteries were built for such monks. Women also devoted their life to God. They were known as nuns. They lived in nunneries or convents. These monks and nuns raised the moral standard of the society by leading simple life. Okay, students, it's your quick revision. It's very important. All are important. Take the correct answer. The capital of the Eastern Roman Empire was Constantinople. Vandals, Goths and Franks were different Germanic tribes. The invading army of the Ottoman Turks captured the capital of the Byzantine Empire in 1453. The Byzantine Empire declined after 1453 Common Era with the downfall of Constantinople. Crusades were a series of holy wars of the Christian against the Turkish Muslims. 6. Some great Christians like Saint Francis, Saint Augustine stress on the purity of life. Women who devote their life to God were known as nuns. Monasteries were the only center of learning during the medieval period. Student, here is questions. Question number, your book question number 5, question number 6a, question number 6b, question number 7, question number 7a. Why is Easter Sunday celebrated? Question number 6a. How were the followers of Christianity initially treated by the Roman emperors? Question number 6b. Which Roman emperors made Christianity the official religion of official religion of Rome? Question number 7. With reference to the preaching and followers of Jesus, answer the following. 7a. Mention a few preaching from the Sermon on the Mount. Here is this answer, student. Why is Easter Sunday celebrated? All questions answer, objective questions, all things are important, students. Okay. Why the Easter Sunday is celebrated? The day of crucifixion is observed as Good Friday. It is believed that on the third day of his burial, after his crucifixion, he rose from the dead. This is called resurrection. It was a Sunday, so it is celebrated as Easter Sunday. Question number 6a. How were the followers of Christianity initially treated by the Roman emperors? Answer. Initially, the Roman emperors regarded Christianity as a danger because the followers of Jesus refused to worship Roman gods. They did not participate in the public festivals of the emperor and Roman gods. Thus, the people following Christianity declared unlawful. They were prosecuted, nailed to cross, burned alive on throne in front of wild animals in amphitheaters. 6b. Which Roman Empire made Christianity the official language, official religion of Rome? Constantine became a powerful ruler in 306 Common Era. He adopted Christianity and made it the official religion of the Roman Empire. Question number 7a. Mention a few preaching from the Sermon on the Mount. Some of his preaching are: have faith in God, love your enemies, don't judge others, all human are fellow beings and equal in the kingdom of God. Let's complete, student. These are important questions. Do it in your fair copy. I will tell you, learn these important questions. We will meet in next revision class. Thank you.